Hello everyone, thank you for joining this demo session. My name is Srikar and I'll be walking you through what you can expect from our masterclass on becoming a successful business analyst or a product owner or a scrum master. So I am the trainer of this particular program and I have 14 years of rich expertise into data and product management space. So over these years, I have contributed to success of multiple IT projects across various domains like healthcare, oil and gas, and BFSI and retail domain. So this program is mainly designed to provide you with hands-on learning and real-world insights and tools that will set you up for the success, even if you have no prior technical or IT experience. So it's a 1.5 month program with flexible weekday or weekend schedules to suit your convenience. So now let's talk about why a business analyst or a product owner or a scrum master is critical in today's industry and what sort of career opportunities we can explore after this particular course. So first of all, as a business analyst, you are the bridge. You will be the bridge between the stakeholder and the technical team. When I say stakeholder, it's customer or client. And when I say technical team, it's like a dev team or QA team or UX team or DevOps team, etc. So I'll repeat, as a business analyst, you are the bridge between the stakeholders and the technical team. So you will be helping defining the requirements, analyze the business needs, and ensure the right solution is delivered to the customer. So the role of a product owner is a bit different. So the product owner will be focusing more on driving the vision of the product and managing the backlog and ensuring development aligns with the customer needs. So that is a difference between BO, BA, and product owner. Meanwhile, Scrum Masters are also essential for facilitating agile processes and ensuring teams are productive and collaborative. So industries like finance, healthcare, retail are heavily relying on these particular roles to deliver projects successfully. So with the demand of these roles growing globally, you can expect a lot of opportunities ranging from entry level to senior leadership positions with attractive pay scales. Now let's deep dive into the course content. Yeah, so first I'll be starting with the introduction to the technical business analysis, and I'll explain you what skills that you should learn to become a technical business analyst and what is the difference between the technical business analyst and the functional business analyst. So that is a key thing that you need to learn. And next topic will be the fundamentals of IT system and understanding the system architecture. So I'll be explaining you with the software development lifecycle with a detailed phase by phase manner and what BA will be doing in each of the phase. And after that, maybe I'll provide you insights on agile and waterfall model. And I'll be mostly focusing on the agile methodology where I'll provide the in details or in-depth knowledge of end-to-end agile process. And also I'll explain you about the agile ceremonies and the involvement of BA and PO in each of the event. So after that, I'll help you with explaining the requirement gathering techniques. And also I'll explain about what is nothing but a functional and what is nothing but a non-functional requirement. So coming to the documentation process, it is a very important aspect for a business analyst where we need to create the wireframes, we need to create the case studies, sometimes we need to draw the UML diagrams, and we need to prepare the documents like BRD, FRD, and SRS. So for this, we need to learn some tools. And I'll be explaining about Confluence. Mainly, we will use Confluence for the documentation purpose, like for framing the BRD and framing the FRD and SRS, we will be using the Confluence. And for wireframing, we have so many tools in market, but in this program, I'll be teaching you Balsamiq. And coming to the case studies or UML diagrams, we will be using Lucidchart. Lucidchart is a very popular tool to draw these film line diagrams, and I'll be helping you out with the practical session. And after that, for a product owner, it is very important aspect to learn about the gap analysis and doing the market research and also performing the SWOT analysis. So what is SWOT analysis? To understand or to analyze what are the strengths, what are the weaknesses, what are the opportunities, and what are the threats for any particular given product. So that is the key thing that I'll be explaining. And next comes is the team working agreements, which includes a DOR and DOD. DOR stands for definition of ready, DOD stands for definition of done, and also with the release notes. So release notes is something which business analyst will be doing at end of each release cycle. And after that, the key aspect that a scrum master or anyone in the team should understand is about the story pointing techniques and understanding about the velocity and capacity of that particular team. So that I will be explaining in detailed manner. And the ninth section, the 10th section is very, very important to become a successful technical business analyst, where you need to learn how API works and how SQL works and what is the need of SQL. So first of all, what is SQL? So SQL stands for structured query language. So it's one of the query language. So like English is a language where we will use it for the communication purpose. Similarly, there is a communication language with the database to deal with the data. So we need some language that is called as a structured query language. So I'll be using Snowflake in this particular program to explain SQL, and I'll be using Postman to explain the APIs concept. And the next important topic is data visualization. So I'll be explaining you how to use the Power BI or a Tableau and how to create a report and what business analyst will be doing in a data warehousing project and what is nothing but a data warehousing and why BA is needed and what is source to target mapping document. I'll be explaining all these aspects in this particular section. And the next one is explaining you about the different environments. So most of the people doesn't understand the importance of the environments. We will have various environments in real time, like a dev environment, sit environment, or sandbox environment, or a production environment. So I'll be explaining you the difference between each and every environment with some examples so that you can get that confidence and you can apply confidently for any given role. And after that, there will be like a metrics or the JIRA reporting. So we have multiple reports in JIRA, like a burn down chart, burn up chart, sprint report, summary report. So multiple reports which you can generate with just single click. I'll be explaining you how to generate those reports and how to use that as a metrics. And next one is very important. So that is like a soft skills and resume building. So where I'll be guiding you on resume building and how to apply for the job applications, and for the interview preparation, I'll be helping. Okay. And to sum it up, right? So this course is designed to equip you with everything you need to transition in these roles, like mainly product owner, business analyst, and scrum master. We also provide post-job support and guidance to ensure you thrive in your new career. So before we end, I'd like to hear any questions or thoughts you have about this program or the roles that we have discussed. And feel free to comment your question or call to the contact provided in the description. Thanks, everyone.